Hello everyone and welcome to the Mechanics Club channel. Recently I've been receiving questions about how to insert citations and references into a Word document using the Endnote software. So I decided to do a quick tutorial about that, and I will use a part of my thesis, my master thesis, to do a demonstration about the insert on how to insert the citations to the Word document. So first things first, we need to find the references to insert them. And for example, we're going to be looking on convection in Google Scholar. And let's suppose that we need this book right here to insert it. Now the citation for this book is not available unless we activate in the settings of the search the option of show links to import citations into. Let's select Endnote and we select save. Then we can see that the option of import into Endnote is available. We can download the citation by clicking on this link right here, and we save the citation, and we can see it in our download folder, and we can import it by double clicking it to open it with the Endnote software. I have the citations imported already, so I'm gonna delete that. Next, we move to the document in which we need to insert the citations or the references, and we select the place, for example right here, and this paragraph. Let's say that this paragraph is taken from this reference. So the first step is to go to the software of Endnote and select. Of course, we can organize our references in groups. We have articles, books, thesis, and dissertations, and so on. So I'm gonna go to the book group, to the books group, and select the corresponding reference. And this way, so the way of inserting the differences into the Word document starts with selecting the reference on the software and go to the Word document, the Endnote tab, and select the style right here of the citation. And we have plenty of citations styles available in the software. I'm going to be using this style right here. Then we move to the insert selected citations on this option right here, and we can see that the reference is put in the place where we select, and the list of references is on the next page right here. Next, we repeat the same process for the second reference. For example, let's say that this was taken from this book here. I go to the Endnote tab and select insert selected citation, and the citation is put right there. You can see that the order is 1 of 1, 2, 3, since we selected this style. Here is the numbered style. Now let's say this paragraph was taken from this reference right here, and we select insert selected citation, and the citation is there, and the last paragraph is the same as the first reference right here. So we go back to the software and back to the first reference, and go to the Word document, insert selected citations, and we can see that the number of the citation is inserted as number 1 according to the get this one wrong, and we can see that number 1 is the same number of the first reference, since we inserted it first, or which is the first reference appears on the document. Now, another tip for this tutorial is how to organize those references according to the type and language. First, if we need to organize those for the type, we're gonna be selecting this on the Endnote tab, in this option called Categorize References. We select the option Group References by Custom Categories, and we can see that those are uncategorized references since we don't have any groups or categories yet. But we can create categories by clicking this option here called Configure Categories, and we can create categories of, let's say, books, and another category of the articles. And we go to the option of the references list, and we select and drag the references according to the type and put them into this on the groups. Let's say that the first one is a book and the last two are articles, and we select OK, and we can see that the categories are created and the references are organized according to the type. Now, if we need further organizing of the references, we can create a group of language, and we can categorize them or organize them according to their language. First, we select another category for the English, for example, English references, and another one for the French, for example, French references. We can move this to the top, and we select this option right here called title, and this one, let's say that create another category for the books, for example, French books, and let's select this one as title and this one as category, and we select, let's say that this is a French book, and finally let's see that we have a English language books and articles and a French book, and finally we select OK, and there we have our citations or our references list organized according to the language and the category or the type. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.